Ready to take your global adventure to the next level? Here's Chapter 2 of our guide to help you prepare for a smooth and enjoyable trip. 1. Learn some universal phrases. First, learn a few key phrases. Greetings, thanks, agreeing, disagreeing, and asking for prices and directions can go a long way in making your travel experience smoother. 2. Compare methods of travel. Look into multi-country ticket plans and consider the speed and safety of ships, trains, and airplanes to find the best options for your itinerary. 3. Update your passport. Don't forget to update your passport. Start the application process early, check for online or local post office options, and ensure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date. 4. Get a visa, if necessary. Some countries require a visa. Research visa requirements for each destination, apply for the correct type, and follow the application process via consulate or embassy websites. 5. Update your immunizations. Lastly, consult your doctor for recommended immunizations and stay informed on health warnings. Pack enough medications for your trip, as they may be hard to find abroad. With these specifics sorted, you're well on your way to a fantastic journey. Happy travels! Subscribe for more travel tips.